Hello everyone, this is Eric Redjet 505, and today we have a vehicle that we already saw before under a complete different name. So what we got here, this is the new Losi C10 Chevrolet lowrider, and what it is, it's what used to be Vitara. About a year ago, a little bit more than a year ago, before Corona, there used to be another company making cool vehicle called Vitara. And I'm assuming that they purchased the company and came with those vehicles. And it looked like a very nice lowrider, the lowered, but it's not up and down. There is no hydraulic system in it, but it can be done. You definitely can use it and make from it like a lowrider that will actually go up and down. Now, I just did the entire vehicle video for this, and please go to my professional channel, RC Monster Garage, the same YouTube where you are, RC Monster Garage, and you can actually see that over there. Now, this vehicle is available at MOTOSTYLES shop, 17540 Chatsworth Street in Granada Hills, and this shop will be actually moving at the end of this year, a little bit before, kind of on end of next month. So the end of November, this shop is moving away to a different location just right across the street. So be in touch so you can actually check where they're moving. And don't forget, like, subscribe, and share. If you have any comment, put it below. Now jump to the professional channel to see the entire unboxing, review on it and everything. And then stay tuned, this channel and the other one, because we're going to make it a lowrider that hydraulic going up and down. I'm going to make another real quick video, show you the orange one, because they're both beautiful vehicles. Bye.